finally got myself a GoPro 8. Hopefully I won't have any more corrupted files or file not supported messages on my editing app, or GoPro for that matter, because the old one, that's what it would do. I'm still going to try to recover that footage that I lost, put it in a computer or something, and just see if I can reformat it and figure it out that way. But yeah, we're going to be shooting off of the GoPro 8 today, as long as I'm not covering the mics. I don't think I am, but anyways, I got this off of Amazon. It'll be the first link in the description. It's for my motorcycle. For those of you who don't know, I have a 16 Vulcan 900 Custom, and this is a backrest. It's matte black. Link will be in the description, like I already said. It comes unassembled. I already put it together for the most part. I didn't tighten anything up though. But yeah, we're gonna put it on the bike. And also this cover here, that'll be in the description too. And then this light, I'm not sure if I'm gonna use it or not, but that'll also be in the description. It's freaking bright. I don't know if I'll need it. You can dim it. Alright, got it dimming now. Make it brighter. And I think there's 3 colors, so there's that one. You can dim that one too. And then like just a mixture of the two, sort of. And you can also dim that. Link for that will be in this description as well. Like I said, I don't know if I'll need it or not. It is raining, which is why we're in the barn, or I would be working on the car. And obviously I have this light on because it's raining and it's kind of dark out. Yeah, let's get right to it. First thing you're gonna need is a Allen wrench. It's a 5. I don't know if you guys really know, but it's 5mm, and you're not going to be able to see that, but just trust me, it's a 5mm. And you're going to need a 3/8 socket. Once you put this thing together, which like I said I already did, and I put, actually let me turn this light on and I'll get right back to you. Alright, I turned that light on now. That's what I got it for. So now you guys can see. So this bracket here on each side are what go down over the fender, and they mount, yeah, I said that weird. They mount via, there's a hole here and a hole here, obviously. They mount onto the fender of the bike, which there's already bolts and everything already there. I'll show you those in a second. I put the bracket in between the headrest and the little cargo rack back here. I think that's going to be the best spot for it. But anyways, I'm going to tighten these down. That's what the Allen wrench and socket that I just told you are for. And the 5 is actually also for the bike. I don't know if there's a nut on that. I'll have to look. But yeah, time to tighten this down, and then we'll take it over to the bike and I'll show you what you got to do over there. Alright, so over here on the bike, the backrest is going to go, it's going to mount to here and here on both sides, and this is a 5mm Allen as well, and that backrest is going to slide down in here, and then you're just going to rebolt everything back together. But yeah, like I said, this side's the exact same. I don't know if there's any nuts on the back side of these, but I don't feel anything. I could be wrong. I don't know, but I'm gonna look and I'll let y'all know. Alright, hopefully you guys can see that. There is not a nut over here. If you see that bracket, I'll try to hold the light in point here for you guys. Right here is where that screws into. It's not a nut, and there goes our light. It's not a nut, so I'm gonna get that taken off and catch back up with you in a second. Alright, so I got the plastic off of both sides. They're on the cover over there. I got them off of both sides, and now you need to remove this one and this one, and that's what it mounts in behind, back in here. I think it mounts to those ones and not these ones. I'm not 100% sure. Actually no, it would have to go to these ones because that plastic slides around that. So okay, so you need to remove this one and this one on both sides. Don't mind the dirt here on the bike. I will clean that. But yeah. Alright, I'm gonna remove those, catch back up in a sec. So these ones are not a 5, they're actually a 6. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's a 6, trust me. Fits right in there perfect. And then yeah, I'm gonna break them loose, take it off, and go from there. Alright, so I tried to remove those other bolts. I actually have this on now, but I tried to remove these ones. It's like super hard, and I couldn't get them. And I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try to put it on using those other ones. And it fit like really good down, like down over. I feel like if it was in there, I'd have to bend it quite a bit to get it to fit. But the only thing is now those plastic pieces, I can't put them back on. So I don't know. I have no idea if that's how it's supposed to be or not. I could probably take these out and it'll get, you know, it'll go in farther and look better, but I couldn't get those ones out. So I'm gonna tighten everything up again and just, I don't know, see what happens, I guess. Alright, so like I said, I'm not sure if this is correct or not. Like, I couldn't get those out. But then I also couldn't like fit this down in there. It's too wide. And I feel like if it was even that much more forward, like that thing's gonna be up here, it's not gonna be comfortable at all. So I think I'm just gonna let her roll like that for now. I can't put the pad on it until my wife is home, so I'll probably do that tomorrow. And yeah, put the pad on for her and go for a ride maybe tomorrow and see if she's comfy. But I can take this piece off the luggage rack, or obviously I can easily take the whole thing off and put those other pieces back on, those plastic covers. It's just this bolt, and then one on each side, or on the other side, two on the other side, and then I can put those plastic pieces back on. I did have to take these spacers out, which I would keep in case I, you know, don't want to run with the backrest. But so ease of installation, absolutely, that was easy. But I feel like it's supposed to go down in here so you can put those plastic pieces back on. But I'm not 100% sure. So for now, I'm gonna run it like this, and we'll see what happens. I mean, if you're looking for a backrest, it'll be the first link in the description. Amazon's pretty much the only place I could find one. Now, I needed to find one that was like taller too, because my wife, I had one on one of my old bikes that was only like up to here, and she complained, so this one's up to here. I'm hoping she likes it. If not, oh well. I think I have the mic. Yeah, I think I was over the mic there. But yeah, I would recommend buying it if you need a backrest. Amazon, it's like 130 bucks, I think, something like that. But I'm gonna clean up all that stuff and in there, and then yeah, put the tools away and stuff. If you guys have any questions, leave me a comment, or DM me on Instagram at JustAnother_CarDude. See you guys on the next one.